Hey guys, it's Denise and welcome back to my channel. So it has been a hot minute since I've uploaded anything. I've actually recorded a ton of videos, but for now they're scrapped. I don't know, I may end up posting some of them at some point, but I have some amazing news. After a lot of struggling here, I am moving into a beautiful house and there's tons of room for my plants and my cats. And yeah, I get my own office and everything and it's perfect, and I'm cutting off my head. And hi Juliet. Ooh, Juliet is here. That's awesome. Cole's Notes had a lot of health problems, and I also have become allergic to everything. So you can see I have some lovely things there, and I actually even became allergic to my freaking mustache wax. Like, seriously? Are you kidding me? So now I have this like burn thing that I was actually hoping to cover up before I started filming. But you know what? I really don't care. I'm old and I don't care. So anyways, so I guess we're gonna film a video today. I'm gonna go outside and water my plants. Haven't done that in a while. I've been relying on Andrew. He's been awesome. One of my allergies is actually to the sun, which is kind of crazy, but that's because of a medication and not really just because of I was born like that or anything. So yeah, we're gonna go outside and check on my plants, see what's alive, hopefully everything, and what's in flower and what might not be doing so well. So some things I definitely will not be moving because they're half dead, and yeah, that's that. I thought we should take 1 minute before going outside to appreciate my hair. Pretty awesome, isn't it? So before going outside, I just kind of wanted to do a quick disclaimer. If seeing plants struggling is sad for you, please don't watch this video, because I know it's sad for me to see it. And a lot of my plants look like Home Depot succulents that have been there for like 5 months. And that makes me very sad. But thankfully, like, there's almost nothing you can do to kill a succulent. And I know that they'll bounce back and you'll get to see me bring them all back to life in the future. But yeah, if you are gonna be bothered by seeing some, sorry, just a second. I just saw something really weird over there and I need to go investigate. So I just saw this random mark on the wall and I have no idea what it was, but I thought it was something else, like an evil bug that some people get in their apartments, and it literally made me freak out. But yeah, it's just a brown mark. So back to the plants. This is quality content right here, guys. So anyways, as I was saying, shaky. Some of my plants aren't doing so well. Some of them are Home Depot succulents right now. Some of them are doing great. The tropical plants that are out there are definitely not doing great. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna like include some of the footage about some of the stuff that happened, or if I'm gonna put up that video first, or what the heck I'm gonna do with this. I feel like I need to explain myself more, but either way, let's just head outside because these babies need to be watered so bad. It's been so hot, and I'm cutting off my head again, so let's go. So Rick is actually out here. I'm not sure. Oh, there he is. Hi, Ricky. He is out here. He came out a little while ago. Oh my goodness, Richard. You just made yourself right at home there. I see my Haworthia is, holy, that's a big bloom. Okay, Ricky, you're knocking mommy's plants on the ground, bud. Okay, you're lucky that's well, you don't bite the plants anyways. I mean, you're literally sitting beside this one, and I don't know if that's plant friendly. But anyways, hi baby. Okay, so Rick has not been really allowed outside at all this year, so I'll let him hang out for a little bit more. So yeah, there is stuff literally everywhere, guys. Look. Yep. All over there, and I'm gonna quickly turn you around, or not quickly, because I'm gonna try to not shake the camera everywhere. There's stuff there. Oh my goodness. Okay, we have our first potential casualty right there. Actually, I think I saw, yeah, so that's dead. Yeah, that's not looking so great either. So let's maybe just focus on the succulents. Okay, so yeah, why don't we just start on one end and do a little tour? I don't even know what to expect here. It has been a while. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. Can't even get through. Ah! Okay, so, wow, some of them are very thirsty. Okay, so let me see here. Sedums, very thirsty. Oh, this one's really beautiful, guys. Wow, Instagram worthy. So yeah, I didn't have the greatest luck with keeping some of my sempervivums in the terracotta pots. I definitely would suggest, if you're going to keep them outside, putting them in plastic. I'll show you my big planter that I had them in plastic. It just worked out so much better for me. But yeah, that's what these guys look like. They are all extremely thirsty, but they're still alive. And considering they've only been checked on once a week and watered, that's that's really great. So if you're somebody who has health problems, but you still want to have plants and your life can get a little unpredictable sometimes, definitely succulents. These guys have not even come out of the container that I transported them outside in, which is kind of sad and I feel awful, but as you can see, they're all still alive. Like there's nothing dead here. I mean, they don't look like award-winning or anything, but these are all Haworthias and aloes, and they're definitely, this one's got some lovely sun stress. But yeah, they're all still alive. I had a little bit of red spider mite problem too, and the funny thing is, those red spider mites were on my pothos, which is inside the house, and they just like went away on their own. I'm not kidding, they're gone. They're gone off the pothos, probably not the stuff out here. But yeah, they just literally went away on their own, and that's very strange. So I'm assuming they'll come back at some point, but yeah, I've got some hanging ones here. Very thirsty. Everything is like extremely thirsty. As it's only coming out like once a week. Oh, these guys are friends. So yeah, only coming out like once a week has meant that they are definitely thirsty. Wow, this Rhipsalis has grown like crazy. This is one of my favorite plants. It did have red spider mite. Like, I just, you know what? I think that's just going to be something I'm living with for the rest of my life. But yeah, I'm glad it's doing well. I mean, it looks really thirsty, but it's still alive. I mean, jade. That one definitely has some damage. It had a fungal issue, and it probably still does. Okay, so Aloe, the giant aloe. I put it outside assuming this would kick the bucket immediately. I'm really thankful it hasn't, although it does mean I have to find a spot for a giant aloe in my new place. Here's my little table of some cacti. Oh, here's some serious red spider mite damage, guys. That plant, I think I'm gonna say goodbye to. That one's doing really good. Little purple guy. So weird not having seen them in so long, really. And then Rick, he's so cute. This Haworthia bloom is so funny. It's so big. Okay, so yeah, I don't even know where I'm going with this. Okay, this planter, my God, it needs water so bad. Oh my goodness. It had the most beautiful blooms. Not so much anymore. Oh, I'm literally filming my landlord. It's kind of embarrassing. Oh, that's embarrassing. Okay, that's so embarrassing. Okay, so yes, this needs water, but this is a bad example because I was going to tell you about how much better they do in plastic. But the thing is, you do need to water them. So yeah, this is a whole bunch of sedums that look extremely thirsty. Okay, so the landlord being downstairs is extremely embarrassing. So, oh my God, I stepped on the bloom. So I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to continue filming. Okay, so maybe I will. I'm just going to do it in a crouched down position so she can't see me. Okay, so we have Ricky guarding the anthuriums there. And then white anthurium looks like it's doing really well. It had a fungal. Actually, you know what? It might not have. It might have just had spider mites. Stuff started going haywire, and wow, that's a big bloom. You're gonna see me getting very distracted in this video, guys, so I do apologize for that. That is a really big, and well, anthurium flowers can get much larger than this, but for this particular plant, that's a huge bloom. So it does look like, and there's my purple anthurium, it does look like I do have some survivors here, and they are all anthuriums. So that's okay. I love anthuriums, and I'm really happy that they're alive. Sushi, oh my gosh, Sush, she's doing better. All the plants I put outside that had bugs started doing so much better. Okay, we have tons of new growth here. That's very nice. And my Schlumbergia, okay. And then we have the dying single bloom off of my Schlumbergia of, I gotta stop saying that, of my Thanksgiving cactus. My oldest one, my boob is falling out. Wow, okay, sorry. Okay, so that is a oh, there we go. Thank you, you single bloom. Thank you, very pretty. So that single bloom was the only bloom this plant has put out in a year, and it hasn't grown at all. It just, like in 1 year, no growth, just that one bloom. So I'm thankful for that. So, okay, let me just turn you around. So as I was editing that video, I realized there was no way I was gonna be able to make that into a 15-minute video. I don't know. I suck at like breaking things down from big to small. But anyways, so I'm just gonna upload this as it is now, even though there's barely any of the plants shown in the first part. And I'm just gonna upload the rest of it as a second video. And once I get all set up with my computer, I'll be able to upload videos with like normal type of editing. Okay, thanks guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.